In this video, we will learn how to create possessive forms of singular and plural nouns. A noun can be singular, like spider, or plural, like spiders. A possessive noun shows that someone or something owns or has something. The spider has a web. It is the spider's web. Since spider is a singular noun, add an apostrophe and the letter S to form the singular possessive. Here are some more singular possessives. Notice the apostrophe S after each singular noun. In this sentence, spiders is plural. It ends with S. The spiders have webs. To form the plural possessive, add only an apostrophe to the end of the word. They are the spiders' webs. Here are some more plural possessives. Notice the apostrophe after the S. Read this text. Let's decide whether to use a singular or plural possessive in the next sentence. Butterflies liked West Garden's flowers. Is there one West Garden or more than one? There is one. West Garden is a singular noun. Is sentence 1 or sentence 2 correct? Sentence 2. Since West Garden is a singular noun, the apostrophe is placed after garden and before the S. And that's how you create the possessive forms of singular and plural nouns. See you next time.